Hi, good morning everyone. Here today I have this is a Ford Fiesta 2017. I believe it's a Mark 7, yeah, from 2027 to 2022. Okay, here's the key. Okay, this one is slightly different than the those Mercedes. With this one, you see the inside here, you got two holes here, yeah, one first and second one. You need to use the screwdriver, yeah, is put into the second hole, actually, yeah, in there, and then you push it out like that. You got to push it. See, when you push it, right, you will open up this like that. You see, open up, and then you just need to open this. The battery is in there, yeah. Just push it open like that. It's quite, I put a bit force. See, here's the battery. So just use the screwdriver, the flat screwdriver, just to prick it out like that. See, here's the battery. It's CR2032 battery. Okay, to replace the battery, okay, this angle in first, just press it down like that. Okay, and then line this up. You just line this up carefully. Obviously this end go in first like that. Yes, once you just line up, you just press it down. See, you press it down, and then you press it down here as well. Okay, and then you just slot it in like that. Yeah, you just slot it in, make sure it's right in there. See, so you just press it together like that. It's done. Yeah, this is Ford Fiesta 2017. Okay, thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you.